What is the role of mentoring in teacher professional development? Is it letter A, mentoring is only for new teachers and does not benefit experienced teachers? Letter B naman po, mentoring provides teachers with personalized support and feedback to improve their practice. Okay, pwede. Letter C naman po, mentoring is primarily about helping teachers prepare for standardized tests. Letter D naman po is mentoring is only about classroom management techniques. Iba't ibang role no ng mentoring sa teacher professional development. So anim po 'yan. Una po dyan is the knowledge sharing, pagbabaghagian ng kaalaman. So another is emotional support. So aside from that, meron din pong emotional support, offers encouragement, especially in challenging situations. Another is the skill development. So dito naman po, ang mentoring naman po is nakakatulong para mag-develop po yung tinatawag nating classroom management. Next naman po is reflective practice. When we say reflective, merong reflection. Career growth naman po, meaning to say, hindi ka po stagnant. Okay, another is the collaboration and networking. It builds connections. Choice letter B.